uthatha i-concentration ye-acid uyi-multiply nge-protected shuthi i-multiply ngokuthi mangaka ama-protons leyo acid engadonate ngawo. Manje wathatha i-concentration ye-acid wayi-timesa ngama-protons aleyo acid. By doing so, you'll be having concentration of hydronium ions. Le oya nayo i-formula ka-pH. Usekhona ngithi? Yes. Usuwenze njani? Usudlulela la. Uma nginikwe i-base noma manginikwe a basic solution. A basic solution consists of hydroxide ions. Yabona? Buka. Uma nginikwe i-base noma nginikwe concentration ye-base, ukuze ngibe nama-hydroxide ions, ngithatha i-concentration ye-base, ngi-multiply ngokuthi mangaka ama-hydroxide ions kuleyo base leyo. Yabona? Njengako sithe concentration of hydroxide ions is given by concentration of the base times the number of hydroxide ions. Ukhumbuleke makumele ngiyocalculate u-pH ngidinga ama-hydronium ions. Yingakho sithe uma usunama-hydroxide ions usuza lapha phela ku-water constant. Mawufika ku-water constant, that one is constant. U-H3O plus yena ngimfunayo kanti o-H minus ngitholile ngaphezulu. Yabona? Sengisubstitute-ke the concentration of hydroxide ions. I am solving for a concentration of hydronium ions esebenani ku-pH. Usekhona? Yes. Usuwenza njani-ke? Uma kuwukuthi unikiwe u-pH, ilula-ke indaba yethu. Uma unikiwe u-pH, angithi ukuze ngicalculate u-pH, ngidinga i-concentration of hydronium ions. Meaning, if I am given u-pH, into yokuqala engizokwazi ukuyicalculate i-concentration of hydronium ions. Usekhona? Yes. Uma unika u-pH nakhona wenza njani? Qala kwifomula ka-pH. pH is equal to negative log concentration of H2O plus. Yabona? Emva kwala uzokhumbula ukuthi for the fact that you are given pH, shuthi vele into ozoyisolva wena i-concentration of hydronium ions. Kwemali ngetheni, the concentration of hydronium ions is equal to 1 times 10 exponent negative pH. Oh, ifomula yami ngizoyi-rearrange to this format if I am given pH value. Uyangizwa? Shuthi mina sengibhala ukuthini-ke, concentration of hydronium ions is equal to 1 times 10 exponent negative pH. Usuyasubstitute i-value of pH ozokuyinikile la. Uyangizwa? Awukade lokho-ke. Uma kuwukuthi i-pH engiyinikiwe i-less than 7, angithi pH less than 7 is for acidic solution. Daily acidic solution inama-hydronium ions. Kadali question yakho. Khona i-question ezomnika i-pH value ikufune the concentration of hydronium ions. Any question inika i-pH value ikubuza i-concentration of the acid. Uyangithola? For example, uma ngase nginika i-pH ewu-2.5. For the fact that i-pH yami, for the fact that i-pH yami u-2.5, shuthi leya pH ye-acidic solution. Uyangezwa? Yini-ke ngiyenzayo? Makuthiwa ngicalculate mina i-concentration of the acid. Ngibhala ngibhale i-formula yami kanje ngendlela evela ngayo kwi-formula sheet. Yabona? Okay. Uyibhala kanje i-formula yakho ngezansi usuyi-arrange ngale ndlela because you are given pH. Usangezwa? Yes. So yini kwenza? Uma usuyibhalile kanje, shuthi mina sengizoba no-1 times 10 exponent negative 2.5. Faka ama-units, more difference units okay. Manje shosha i-calculator. Siyayivuma nje ngisho kanje. Uyangithola? Okay. Loya 1 times 10 to the negative 2.5, the concentration of hydronium ions. Second, uma befune i-concentration of the acid, sengenze njani-ke mina? Sengithatha le concentration of hydronium ions, ngiyanayo kuleya expression. Concentration of hydronium ions is equal to concentration of the acid times the protected. Okay, usuwenza njani-ke? Usuyamsubstitute-ke lo. You are solving for a concentration of acid. So times ngokuthi acid yakhe nama-protons amangaki. Yabona? Meaning uma i-acid yakho say phosphoric acid H3PO4. Ubani protected la? Yabona? Because in this case I am solving for a concentration of acid. Yabona nje protected ngizodivide ngayo both sides. Ukuze ngithole i-concentration yani ye-acid. Ukhona? Uma kodwa nginikwe i-pH that is greater than 7. Yini yaziyo nge-pH greater than 7? Ye-basic solution, eh? Uma nginikwe i-pH greater than 7, again, uqale ngibhale kanje. Uyangizwa? Uma ngiqeda lapho, i-formula yami ngiyayi-arrange isima kanje. bese ngiyayisubstitute pH yami. Ngiyathola? Uma ngifaka leyo pH leyo, ngizobe senginani? Ngizobe sengine concentration of hydronium ions. Ngiyathola? For the fact that i-solution yakho is basic, ukuba ne-concentration of hydronium ions akukho enough. Usuyadlula wena uzala ku-water constant, uzofuna i-concentration of hydroxide ions. Why hydroxide ions? Because i-pH is greater than 7. Because i-pH yakho is for i-basic solution. Uzangizwa? Shuthi uma i-pH yami ngaphezulu ka-7, ngiqala la, ngifake i-value ka-pH, mase ngifake i-value ka-pH ngizobe sengine-concentration of hydronium ions. Mase ngina-concentration of hydronium ions, khumbula i-pH ngaphezulu ka-7, shuthi angipheli kulama ions. Uyangithola? Shuthi mina ngiyadlula ngizala ku-water constant. Usabona? Uma ngifika ku-water constant, that one is constant. Ngizobe nginaye-ke le in this case, yabona? Ngiyamsubstitute lona, I am solving for this one. Uma sengimtholile-ke lo kuyahluka. Uma i-question yami ibifune i-concentration of hydroxide ions, shuthi sengifikile ansini mamtholele. Uyangizwa? Kodwa i-question yami ukuthi ibifune i-concentration of the base, ngiyadlula ngiza kule expression le. Ethi concentration of hydroxide ions is given by concentration of the base times the number of hydroxide ions. Mangifika lana lo engimtholile sengimsubstitute lapha na I am solving for that one. Ukhona? Khumbule sithe number 1 ama calculations based on interpretation of a solution uzana la. Understand? Number 2, we are diluting a solution and formula. O1 is for concentrated, O2 is for diluted. Khumbule kule formula le akube substance eyodwa. Uhluke nje concentration, diluted, concentrated. Understand? Uma ku acid no base manje kuma nge substance eyodwa. Asambe ke number 4. Number 4 siyaqala ngisikhuluma ngama neutralizations. Hayi, wena uzoqala ukukhuluma nge-neutralization uma usodila le calculation involving i-reaction between acid and base. Uyangithola? Yini ke ebalulekile? Angithi neutralization sasihlukanisa kawu-2. Kwakukhona i-complete neutralization ne-incomplete neutralization. Usekhona? So lalela, uma uthe uyafunda kwi-statement, wathola ukuthi i-complete neutralization. Uma kuthiwe this amount of the acid neutralizes this amount of a base, or this amount of a base was able to neutralize this amount of an acid. Noma kuthiwe a titration was performed using these two substances. Uvumelekile ukuya lapha kusavana. Sayikhumbula savana? Aye. Ngizoya kule formula makuthi bekuyi-complete neutralization, whereby omabili ama-substances afika in the form of aqueous solutions. Njalo uma ngine-solution ye-acid ekwazi uku-neutralize i-solution ye-base, kuzwa ngokuthi ikhona kuphi kuzobe kuyi-missing information yabantu, but ngiza la uma sengitholile kwi-statement ukuthi bekuyi-reaction phakathi kwe-acid ne-base, nakhona bekuyi-complete neutralization. Ungibambile? Alright, yini ebalulekile? Angithi lama kule formula le ku-Na over Nb asifaki the number of moles, but sifaka the coefficients of ama-substances akho. Yabona, futhi lapha ngizodinga i-balanced equation. Yabona, bese uyahamba uyobuka u-Na umele i-coefficient ye-acid. Yabona, futhi uyahamba uyobuka kwi-reaction yakho ukuthi eduze kwe-acid ubani number ye-coefficient, mangekho lutho that is 1. Yabona, so angideleke la ufika o-0.2 no-3.5. Yabona, ndlela ufika mina o-1 over 2, o-2 over 1 noma o-1 over 1. Uyangizwa? La asidinga ama-number of moles, sidinga i-reaction yakho ukuthi i-balance kanjani, sidinga the coefficients of ama-substances. Ngivumeleke ukusebenzisa le formula uma kuyi-complete neutralization noma kuyi-titration engayi-accidental endpoint.